Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am super excited. We are taking a look at an awesome B+ Class C motorhome. This one is perfect for spouses that don't like to sleep together because there's two individual twin beds in the rear. This is a 2022 Gulfstream BT Cruiser model 5255B. We are gonna take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features. Then we're gonna give you 3 things we love about the BT Cruiser and 3 things we dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, again, welcome back to another video. I am super excited to show everybody this BT Cruiser, but before I begin, I would like to say hi to Andrea. Hey Andrea!
Hey everybody!
We are experiencing all 4 seasons here in Texas today, aren't we?
As you can see the clouds behind us, you guys, it looks like it's about to storm.
Yes!
So I am super excited. Have not seen a BT Cruiser with 2 twin beds before.
Yes!
So, you know, that's exciting for people that don't like to sleep together.
Right.
If you're traveling with friends, or like if Matt and Will were traveling.
Yes!
Perfect for them.
I love it, Andrea. Let's do the outside quick. Let's begin. Do you want to stand over there away from the wind? Model is BT Cruiser, the 5255B. The actual tip length is 28 feet 7 inches. This sits on the E450 chassis. It does have the 7.3 liter V8. It is the Godzilla engine. Right up front there, we do have no bunk over the cab. That's why BT Cruiser likes to call themselves a Class B. Right here, Andrea. Oh, Godzilla, that's what I was supposed to say. 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. Andrea, it's getting late in the day. Right here, we do have mirrors, both on left side, right side, and the cameras are integrated into the side. And then look at these tires, Andrea, they're the Hancooks.
Dynapros!
I love those. They're the LT225-75R16. And then coming on down the side here, you can see the cream color with right there, though, that is the power awning with LED lights.
Good size awning.
Let's go inside. We're gonna go inside, hopefully the wind stops.
I don't think so, but okay.
Well, let's give it a try.
All right.
So inside, this is what the motorhome looks like when the slide out's in.
Wow. Interesting. Hold on, Matt. I want to go back there. Look at all this walkway.
Yes.
Wow. Let's see. This is the bathroom back here. Nice rear bathroom. This is a pretty cool setup. Okay, so much space, even with the slide in.
Yeah, sorry about that, y'all. Slide out. So we push the slide out. Jen, we're not going to insert an RV Life commercial here. We just want to let everybody know while the slide out's coming out. Get RV Life. It's amazing. They're doing a free 1-week trial and 25% off. Use our link down below and use promo code MattsRVReviews to get that 25% off. Sorry, no real advertisement. Man, that wind was crazy out there, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so Andrea, here's what it looks like. That's a deep slide out. Let's get started up front here in the cockpit area. Okay, up front here, Andrea, I love this. I love the fact that it's actually an E450 series. On these smaller, lighter weight ones, a lot of other brands, they would go to the E350 to save money. So this gives you a higher cargo carrying capacity, which we need to figure out. This is kind of weird though, a traditional radio right there. But right here, that's where your cameras are. And then Andrea, you want to sit in the co-captain seat?
Yes. Interesting.
Now the seats do swivel to become part of the living area.
They look like it because it's down here.
Yes.
But yeah, this is nice. I'm pretty comfortable.
Yes.
You know, for being small, there is a lot of space down here.
For sure. Power windows, and yes, Andrea can recline the seat all the way back there.
Which is nice.
And we do have these sun guards right there.
Okay, no bunk over the cab.
So what's up there?
A TV and storage.
Very nice.
And on that side as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice. Got a Max Air fan up there.
Yep. And then right here, some storage, a nice window with the slow rise shades. Andrea, those are the valances. And Andrea's thoughts?
No.
Not a fan?
No.
Okay. Valance, Andrea denied.
Yeah, but I do think it's neat that there's a chair there.
Yes, and actually,
With the
That
seatbelt.
folds it down.
With the seatbelt.
Yeah, no, that's a proper seat that you can actually sit down while in transit. Very nice. And then over here in the living room area, no cabinets above. You do have a nice window. You got the Vanna White lights, a little phone USB there. And then check this out, Andrea.
Got a pedestal table that goes there too.
Yes, because there is no dinette.
Right.
But you do got the theater seats here.
And
Very
Matt,
nice.
these little things for the
Cup holders and little tables.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep, and you know what? Not a bad place to see the TV. You are turning your head, but I believe...
Okay,
Yeah.
that's awesome.
Yep.
Much better.
It does make it a lot better.
Oh, yeah.
I will say that. And nobody's sleeping in the bunk over the cab either, because that messes up a lot of things as well. Well, Andrea, would you like to show us the kitchen?
Yes. But first, I just want to remind everybody that we are now part of RVR,
Yep.
which is a nationwide network of dealerships.
Yep.
We have over 93 already in the country. So we have a location near you. Please reach out to us. Go to mattsreviews.com, click that contact me page if you're interested in anything, and somebody from our team will get back with you guys.
Let's continue.
Okay, look at this. We have a cabinet up here.
Yes, ma'am.
Got a nice window there.
Okay.
Looks like we got a round sink. Solid surface countertop in here. I'm
Nice.
impressed.
Oh, hang on. Hold this camera, Andrea. The cargo carrying capacity here. Yes. 1,573 pounds.
Okay, not bad. We got a nice cabinet under here.
Very
Good
nice.
place for a trash can. Gray stone microwave.
Okay.
Okay, we have a 3-burner cooktop, propane here.
Yes,
Gray
ma'am.
stone, glass
Nice.
cover, and an oven.
Very nice.
Okay, all right, we've got a Dometic 2-way refrigerator, runs off your shore power and propane. Why can't I open this?
You can do it, Andrea.
No, it's like stuck.
Oh, yeah, it is. No big deal.
Okay, and look, there's an accordion door coming back in here into the sleeping quarters.
I'm trying, yep.
All right, so we have a cabinet here, a wardrobe.
Back in the bedroom, yes.
Yes.
You can get that window right there. Wow. Double windows on both sides.
So cool, the beds.
Yes.
Nice storage up here, everybody.
And Andrea, lay in that bed real quick for us. Very nice.
Oh, this is nice. USB electrical outlet. We got lights under here.
Yes, actually, no, hang on, Andrea. But again, guys, this is why we like it, because a lot of times spouses don't like to sleep together because one's a roller or something like that, or if there's two friends.
One takes up too much room.
Oh, yep, that happens. So this is really nice. But Andrea, no, lay back down.
Oh, no.
Yes, but what is nice, you got this space here. Andrea.
Yes.
Give me your
Oh,
hand.
hi.
Yep, so you can sleep
Nap
here.
time.
You can sleep here just like this one going down the road.
And then over there is a wardrobe as well, Matt.
Yes.
On the side.
Very nice.
Okay, and then you still have more cabinets up here.
I like it.
I do see some cabinets under here.
Okay.
For drawers.
Oh, wow.
Okay, and none on that side, though.
Okay, wow, very nice. Now, there's other floor plans that are like this, and they come out to make a full king-size bed. This unit doesn't have that because it is the walkway to the bathroom. Please show us, Andrea.
Okay, so here's the rear bathroom here.
Yes.
Look at this. I like this. Nautilus style door. Good
Look how
size
big
shower.
that shower is. That's
Especially
huge.
for how small this is.
That is huge.
Medicine cabinet.
Yes,
Cute little
ma'am.
round sink.
Amazing.
And then look at this. For linens. I mean, it is what it is. This is a very small motorhome.
Yes. And then, Andrea, you can sit there. Since you're already back here.
It's
That's a plastic toilet. Wamp, wamp.
Yeah.
But see if it's a nice placement.
It's a good placement, but it's plastic, so it doesn't get the 4-piece.
Okay, Andrea. Let's see if it's less windy outside. Sorry, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around on this crazy review. Look at that, America, Texas. Those flags are flying, huh?
All
Okay.
right.
So on the outside, Andrea, we're just gonna try our best. Gulfstream, they do use Asdel, which is a green-based material that will never delaminate on you. And right here, you do have frameless windows. And let's take a look at some of the storage.
Okay.
You got storage there, a little bit there, held by the key, and a little bit there as well. Right here, Andrea, we got power and your water heaters here with a very nice power awning with LED lights. It goes the whole length of the motorhome.
Pretty good awning.
And then coming around the back, you do have a nice fiberglass rear cap. So just like a front cap, it's less likely to leak that way in the rear. You do have a 5,000 pound hitch. This motorhome can tow 5,000 pounds. Your backup camera's incorporated in that rear taillight. And Andrea, we do have a ladder to get up on the one-piece fiberglass roof. Let's go up there and take a look.
You better hold on, Matt. It's awfully windy.
Ain't no wind gonna stop me.
Hold on.
Up here on the roof, you can see it's a nice one-piece fiberglass roof. One AC unit, it is 30 amp. There is no prep for solar up here, but right there's your Winegard digital antenna.
Hold on.
Here we go.
Okay, last up now.
Great, and if you haven't already, make sure everyone smashes that thumbs up button. What are the RV salesman's gonna take his fat ass up on the roof on a windy day, show you what features the roof has to offer?
Nobody.
Nobody. And I really like the rear taillight design there as well. Okay, finishing up, Andrea.
Oh.
Here's all your sewer points.
Okay.
Right there. That's where you dump your black and gray tank. City water connection, black tank flush, potable water fill. Potable.
Potable.
The heck's this?
Oh.
Oh, a little outdoor shower action. Right here's where you fill up your tank and a little bit more storage there. Right here's 30 amp. A little bit more storage. Your propane's right there, Andrea.
Okay.
And then right here, bing, Jen. You can put all the specs right there. And then right over there, Andrea, is your generator. It's gonna be an Onan 4000 generator.
Okay.
Well, Andrea, let's go back on the inside. I think Andrea's gonna get her wish. She only wanted to do one more video today. I said 2 more videos, but I think
Because of
the
the
wind
wind.
is gonna X-nay the next video. But Andrea, that's it. That's this video. Now, before everybody leaves, it's now time we give you, one, we're gonna give you the MSRP, and then we're gonna give you 3 things we like about it and 3 things we don't like about it. Andrea, what do we do first?
Let's do 3 things that we like about it.
Okay. First thing that I like about it, Andrea, is what you pointed out here. This third seat. This is like a proper seat. I like it here. I like how it's bolted down. And it just feels safer. Like, nothing's wrong with these, and these have seatbelts in them as well, but I really do like having that seat there. That's number 1. Andrea, number 2?
I really like the fact that they gave you these 2 single beds.
Yes.
I think it's awesome. There's not a lot of floor plans that you can find like this.
No.
And it's perfect, you know, for people that, you know, want their separate sleeping space.
Yeah. No, I love it.
So it's great.
And there's so much of the market that isn't doing that, and so
Right.
I really love how they do that.
I agree.
So that's number 2, and then Andrea, follow me. I'm gonna combo that first with all the storage in the bedroom.
Yes.
And then number 3, Andrea, I'm gonna say that shower.
Yes.
For a smaller motorhome, they are kicking butt on this shower.
That shower's bigger than some that I've seen in Class C's.
That shower's bigger than some that I've seen in some diesel pushers.
Yeah.
They've done a really good job with that shower, and I love that. Great, so that's 3 things we love about this motorhome. Now it's time for 3 things we don't like about it. Andrea, you ready for me to go first?
Sure. Uh-oh.
You gotta look at that plastic toilet. That's a womp womp.
It
You know
sure
what I'm saying?
is. It is a good. It's angled great,
Yep.
but it's plastic.
It's angled great. It's positioned great. The rear bathroom size is great. Like, when you're over a wheel well, like, I get it, but that, they should have had a porcelain toilet, and I don't know why they didn't. That is dislike number 1. Andrea, dislike number 2?
I don't really have a whole lot to pick with in here. I mean, they did a pretty good job overall, but I gotta say, and when I have a hard time, it's because I'm nitpicking.
Yeah.
I don't like the interior in here.
Talk to me.
It looks really cheap.
Ooh.
And not cheap, but just...
Oh, you said it.
It looks boring.
Okay.
It's just... It makes me want to take a big old nap.
Well, I mean, maybe
I do need a nap.
Maybe that's a strategy. Maybe
I need a nap.
Maybe it is designed to make you want to take a nap.
Exactly.
And it's doing the strategy right. Okay, so that's number 2, and then Andrea, number 3, again, I'm being petty. I don't like the cockpit area here. I don't like how the screen isn't incorporated. You know what I'm saying? Like, the screen being up there is just weird, and that's like kind of an old 1998 style radio. Does that make sense?
Yes, and that's how I feel about the interior.
So it's the 1998 edition.
Maybe it is.
The BT Cruiser 1998 edition. Well, Andrea, that's it. That's the review. The one thing I would like to add This does have auto levelers.
Oh, wow.
And then I will add another, I love how they use the Asdel. You know what I'm saying? This is nice, it's aerodynamic, and it's a unique floor plan. Not super populated, but it's really, really good. Okay. Andrea, do you know what time it is? It's now time for the MSRP. MSRP on this motorhome here is not bad at all. $128,072, Andrea. MSRP. Sale price, we can't mention the sale price because it is a current 2022 model year. But Andrea, we are now partnered with RV retailers. So it doesn't matter where you live. We have one of these close to you. If you're interested in this motorhome or any motorhome, all you have to do is go to mattsrvreviews.com and click that contact tab. Let us know that you're ready to buy any motorhome. Will and I, we will oversee to make sure that you guys get a fantastic deal, great service, and the best buying RV experience in the entire RV industry. We do apologize about the wind earlier in the video. Kind of a crazy video. But Andrea, is there anything that you'd like to say?
Yes. Hey, everybody. Thank you so much for watching.
Yes.
Let us know the 3 things that you like about this RV and the 3 things that you dislike. Gulfstream does watch the videos and they read the comments, so they're interested in your feedback. Thank you, everybody, so much for watching. I hope you are safe and well.
Thank you, absolute everybody, for sticking around on this crazy windy episode. We appreciate everybody, and Andrea, we'll see you next time.